start anything, it takes 2-3 weeks for it to become a habit. Same is the case with learning English. Whatever exercise you start to learn English, I think you should keep using it continuously for 2 to 3 weeks. Then you decide whether I am getting any benefit from it or not. Am I really learning something? If you are not trying, no matter how many English videos you watch, you will not be able to learn English. How will you learn what you hear if you don't practice anymore? If you want to learn English. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Inder. Today I have brought an exercise for you. By doing this, you can practice English very well. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. You do reading, you do listening, and now you have a lot of vocabulary. You note down words, you make flashcards, but you can't practice those words because you put them aside after writing. And I would like to say, when you use this trick, you will definitely bring them into practice. First of all, you pick 5 or 10 words. जो भी आपने अपनी नोटबुक में नोट किए हैं, if you have less time to practice, then you can take 5 words. If you have more time, then you take 10 words. Now you can make their sentences according to your situation. After making the sentences, you see where those sentences will be used. Whatever activities you do regularly, you use these sentences throughout your day. And you will notice that by doing this, you can practice English very easily and you are enhancing your speaking skill. And this trick will be very helpful to you if you follow this. If you are a beginner, you can practice speaking English very well. You start with your daily routine. First, you note down those words which are used in your daily routine. After that, you use them. Remember one thing, learning takes effort and time. I'm sure you will try it. If this trick doesn't work for you, then you don't do it. But I can say it with guarantee, it will definitely work for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find my tips and tricks valuable, then share my videos with your friends. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. So practice is must. Keep practicing. See you soon.